Welcome back to your phonics job for today. Our target skill is I can blend sounds in one-syllable words with B and G. Before we get started, I have a question. Are B and G consonants or vowels? What kind of letters are they? These are consonants. So open up your reading toolkit. We are going to add some more consonant sounds to our reading toolkit today. So let's get started. This is the letter B. What sound does this letter make? B, B, like in bear. This is the letter G. Do you know what sound this letter makes? G, G, like in goose. We are going to be looking at these sounds today, boys and girls. They might be at the beginning of a word. They might be at the end of a word. So we are going to stretch these words out and put them down our slides today. What sound does this letter make? B. What sound does this letter make? I. What sound does this letter make? G. Let's put this word on our slide. B, I, G. What's the word? Big. Big. Let's do it again. Put this word on your slide and separate the sounds to stretch out the word. G. What's the word? Rag. Rag. Great work, first graders. One more. Put this word on your slide to stretch out each sound. G, A, P. What's the word, first graders? Gap. Gap. Good job. All right, it's your turn. Pause the video and read each word to yourself or to mom or dad or brother or sister, or maybe you have a stuffed animal nearby that you'd like to read to. Ready, go. All right, first graders, now that you have read each of these words, I will read them to you. If you'd like, read them with me again. Bin, fin, dig, gas, bin, gap, his, tag, bib, sip, fin, fib, gab, fat, if. All right, boys and girls, read this sentence in your best deep voice. Ready, go? Now let's read it together. Bab has a bib for you too. Do you see what I see, first graders? It's a word to know right there in our sentence. The word to is one of our words to know for this week. Bab has a bib for you too. Do you need a bib, first graders? Probably not. All right, read this sentence in your best squeaky voice for me. Ready, go. let's read it together. I have a big bat. I have a big bat. All right, boys and girls, thank you for coming back for our phonics warm-up for today. I'll see you next time.